Shesha. So before trying to investigate crime, let's try to understand the crime itself. So there are two types of crime, that is the civil and the criminal. And depending on the crime type, we actually prosecute the evidence according to the requirement. So for example, in civil, the crime is for monetary gains or losses, and the major aim is to find the evidence for who is going to pay the loss or who is going to recover the money. So usually in this kind of cases we recover files, and that's the reason evidence collection and the law is not that strict. Whereas in case of criminal offense, it is a punishable by law offense and it is a proper crime, and in this we do recovery and a lot of things. So data recovery is one part, but we also investigate and search for details. So it is a standard of evidence and collection is necessary, and to obey the law is really important in these kind of cases. Now let's try to understand some rules for evidence collection and prosecution. So there are two types of evidence. One is original and then the duplicate, that is a copy of the original. Now in case of original, you need to have it unless they are not available. So for example, if you are prosecuting a hard disk, you need to understand that the original hard disk should be produced in the court. Whereas if we have some certain data that cannot be produced in court, image or duplicate can be produced. For example, if you have a server and which is a cloud-based server and there is no possibility to produce the original evidence, then in that case duplicate can be used. Now again, if we talk about duplicate evidence, you need to be authentic. Now to produce the authenticity of the evidence, you need to match the MD5 hash or the hashes of both the files, and it should be an accurate electronic recording. So you cannot just copy the file, you have to create an image of the whole hard disk, and this is how you can produce the evidence in court.